about to change the 4Runner taillights. So the old style. So let's see if we can get this going. Make it look nice and see how difficult it is. First things first, we got to get this housing off. We'll see using like a little plastic pry tool. The guy says it's pretty easy, but... All right, so now we got to get the two bolts off. There's one on the lower part there. Then there's one up top, above, even further up. Yeah, you'll see it in a second once I get these off. And then there's one wire connector that's just a single connection to get all of it off. The top hole is, and then the bottom hole. Then same here, you know, the bolt's pretty tall up there, and you can see this is a lot longer, so. All right, to remove it, I just use a pry tool up here. I used a plastic one. It wasn't even very big or anything like that, just a really small one. And then I just pried it up here, used it a little bit on this edge here. It actually just came out nicely too. So, not too bad actually. And then you can see where the top hole is, and then the bottom hole. Then same here, you know, the bolt's pretty tall up there, and you can see this is a lot longer. So that was a little bit trickier just because it was taller. I wasn't able to use the ratchet, but it's okay. Always hoping for plug and play here. It looks like a pretty good fit. Everything looks really nice on, so let's take a look. And I like how the bolts are actually the same length on this one in comparison to that other one. I did not like how that, you know, one bolt was taller than the other. So let's take this out and see how it goes.